Good afternoon to all the respected educators. It's my privilege to be your moderator on this session. First of all, as an educator, we have the power to shape future of every classroom or every student. We teach in has the potential to become a gateway to world-class opportunity. So we are discussing we can prepare our student for rapidly changing world. Today's conclave will give as an opportunity to exchange ideas, views, and learn from one to another, and explore how to school like Shorin International School can empower the students to become confident global citizens. My team, Mr. Mehan sir, Rashmi ma'am, Ajay sir, K.N. Chaudhary sir, Ruby ma'am, Megha ma'am, and Prince Jani sir. First of all, thank you all are expert on the field. So my first question from Mahendra sir, how does Shorin International School prepare students for global opportunities?
Thank you, sir. Give me one chance. I will try to do my best. Give answer. Sharp International School prepares students through project-based learning, strong communication skills, leaders activities, digital literacy, cultural exchange, and international collaboration. These experiences help students develop confidence and become globally competent learners.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Please give us an example of Shorin International School integrated collaboration with international level.
Sharp International School is very big society.
Just like USA is
Organization.
Impact with USA. These are the examples of integrated collaboration with international platform. Thank you, sir. My next question is Ruby ma'am. Why is global exposure important for school institution?
Global exposure help students and understand, understand different culture and develop communication skill and improve practical thinking and prepare them for higher education and careers worldwide. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now over to Mr. Ajay sir. I came to know how can schools become a gateway to world universities with the reference of sports and academic both.
Thank you, Abhishek sir. It's my long fortune to be here in your commentaries, so I would like to give 1,000 thanks.
Thank you so
I
much.
think school can become providing international curriculum and technology and get opportunities and interrogative international communication skill, language, and after this opportunity, any students provide this gateway universities, and I have many students in selected Canada, Malaysia, and I can say tell you in this many World School Games participators player. मैं थोड़ा सा हिंदी में भी आपको बताना कोशिश कर रहा था। मैं ये भी बताना चाहूँगा आप लोगों से कि केवल एक मार्गदर्शन स्कूल से नहीं है कि जी अगर हम लोग बात करेंगे स्कूल के रास्ते से हम लोग वर्ल्ड यूनिवर्सिटीज में कैसे एडमिशन पा सकते हैं, तो मैं खेल के माध्यम से आपसे बताना चाहूँगा कि जैसे हमारे स्कूल से या ओवरऑल CBSE, ICSE, UP and IOS and school board providing CBSE culture, national games providing the SGFI. You know all SGFI? Raise your hands. Yeah, what are full form of SGFI?
Students Games Federation of India.
School Game Federation of India. Providing any more sports activities than school activities, much better platform in international level. What national school games, then after this world school games, and see after schooling pass out, then you can do join us universities games and world university games. So you can join this any gateway universities admission. So I think. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, Mr. Ken, sir, I want to ask some questions. First one is, how does Shoreman International School promote leadership for global success?
First of all, most of the success. I want to say that nowadays the modern education has become the part of the world education. And if any country or students of any country, if they will try to get the high technology, the unique information, they must be needed to integrate the world education. And education cannot be found within a state or country. It has become the part of the world, and it is not a new phenomenon. Our history is a witness in the same time, as well as in the medieval period, when most of the European and Asian countries they became as a democratic or independent. Thereafter, to make their country as a strong and powerful, they shifted their intellectual persons to other countries, as for example Japan and China. When they became democratic, they sent to their intellectual persons in America, France, Australia, to get the higher education, better training, industrial training, and getting the unique knowledge in technology. So, don't mind the modern education is only limited within a country. So it is very essential. The education of a country must be integrated, collaborated, unified with one education. Thereafter, that country will lead a developed country and make a powerful and a strong country. The question is how the students of Shoreman School can be able to get the chance in the world PT with the help of the physical teacher to motivate the students, giving the example of the Hitler, Napoleon, as well as the Indian hero Raja Mohan Rai and the Subhash Chandra Bose. The leadership power can be built among the students. So, first of all, identify the students, their ability to become leadership and motivate them, and thereafter they will be able to become the part of the world education and the world studies and so on.
Thank you so much, sir. I think you very comprehensive answer for all of us. Now, I move to Megha ma'am. What qualities do world universities expect from a student?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you very so much for giving me this opportunity. So, today our theme is collaboration. Collaboration is the theme of networking with. This is different for universities. It means in which we get opportunities for internet, on which all researchers, professionals, teachers, learners, students all get work together with the help of technology or internet. So, on which we share our data as well as learn something new with the help of network. So, this is a collaborate in our today's scenario, which is very helpful for us. In fact, for everyone. So, how to connect with this is exposure to world platform. So, this is also expose ourselves to all learning, to express themselves on it by sharing their views or ideas. And those expose themselves very good in positive quality, so it's enrolled their learning as a learner in a good top universities with the help of it, by which is take all type of technology in one corner from all sides. There is no importance to go here or there. So this is the importance of networking, how this is connected to us. And the question is that this is an interdisciplinary or interdisciplinary. This is interdisciplinary by connecting all subjects like science, humanities, commerce. These all make a learner social perfectionist, by which we just also set global mind of learner with the help of internet. And this is a good performance for our learner. Thank you.
Now, I ask some questions from Rashmi ma'am. First question from Rashmi ma'am is, how can parents support global learning?
Parents can support global learning by motivating their child to make their confidence skills strong and to make their academics also strong, and they have to polish their skills so that they can, when they go to foreign countries for studying, they have no problem in understanding that countries. Now I want to explain something about global collaboration platform. Global collaboration platforms are basically the apps and tools like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, Google Classroom, which provide international learning experiences. So online and offline platforms, they connect the student and the teacher, and and the institution across the countries all over the world. There are tests like IE and NEET which students have to qualify if they want to study abroad, and for if it gives exposure to the students for admissions in international universities like Oxford or our school is the one and only school in Modinagar which provides global platforms like there is a summer boot camp in June in association with Pride College Dadar. There was a summer boot camp for foreign languages like French, Spanish, German and Japanese. In foreign countries, in India we say hi, hello when we meet a person for the first time. In German, the people say hello for the first time when they met to the stranger. In Spanish they say hi, hello. In French they say bonjour. And in Japanese they say kichowa. So these are the terms if we we know the terms about this foreign language, it is easy to adapt in the foreign countries. And our school is the one and only school which provides the AI boot camp. And in the foreign languages boot camp, it provides experiential learning, hands-on experiences, industrial insights, and beyond conventional classroom. Our school provides students platform like our school have arranged app invited courses in association with Kite College Dadar. There is an AI boot camp. There is a space technology boot camp. There is a robotics camp. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, I want to ask a question from Prince sir. Sir, what role does technology play in global collaboration?
First of all, thank you very much. Technology can be used in many ways. Today, we see so many things without technology not possible. Real life, our life can be journal without technology. Technology as a collaboration, we can use as a learner, technology are used. We can learn many things. The things are studying on abroad. We can learn the study on our country, not to bring there. So we can learn new ideas, new studies. Technology are also used in your research. If you are researching some things, or also that things are researched in abroad. So we can share our ideas or our research may boost, may solve ideas as we individually solve the problem. If we share our ideas and technology are also used as encourage the student. If as a student, some students are fear from go abroad, also parents are fear from go abroad, the student go, never come back. So we can meet such teachers, some people who are also settled in abroad and talk from them as a use technology. So technology are also used in encouraging or share new ideas.
Thank you so much, Prince sir. Now, आगे क्वेश्चन है सर. What message would you like to give to students aspiring to study abroad? बच्चे abroad में पढ़ने जाना चाहते हैं तो उनके लिए आप क्या मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
सबसे पहले अगर हम लोग बात करें गेटवे यूनिवर्सिटीज की एडमिशन की। यहाँ हम लोग बात तो बहुत अच्छे अच्छे करते कर रहे हैं, लेकिन अगर देखा जाएगा, अगर मैं स्टेट्स की बात करूँ, राज्यों से संबंधित बातें करूँ, तो हमारे यहाँ सबसे ज्यादा पंजाब, हरियाणा, राजस्थान, इन 3 स्टेट से सबसे ज्यादा जितने भी हमारे छात्र विद्यार्थी अगर पढ़ने के लिए जाते हैं तो उनका टारगेट पहले से सम्मिलित रहता है कि मेरे को यूके में जाकर पढ़ाई करनी है, यूएसए में पढ़ना है, या फिर अब्रॉड कंट्री में किसी भी कंट्री में जाकर पढ़ाई करनी है। हम लोग अपना बेस उससे पहले तैयार ही नहीं करते। कितने यहाँ पर हमारे आदरणीय शिक्षक बैठे हैं, मैं उनसे भी जानना चाहूंगा, क्या हम में से कभी कोई भी अपने बच्चे को ये टारगेट देता है, बेटा मेरे को विदेश में जाकर पढ़ाई करनी है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मतलब मैं कहना चाहूंगा, मैं बैठी हुई है, प्लीज मैं माफी चाहूंगा कि बहुत कम पेरेंट्स हैं यहाँ पर बैठे हैं। पेरेंट्स में भूल जाता, गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई। मैडम ने अपने बेटे को तैयार किया कि बेटा बाहर की कंट्रीज में जाकर पढ़ाई करना, यूनिवर्सिटी में पढ़ना है। इंडिया का कल्चर तो हम लोग सभी देखते हैं, लेकिन हम लोग इस चीज को निर्भर करने के लिए हमारे पास में जितनी भी नई ये जो जनरेशन हमारी आ रही है, छोटे छोटे पौधे कहेंगे अब तो इन्हें, क्योंकि ये कोरे कागज है, जो छापेंगे नहीं छप जाएगा, जो दिखाना चाहेंगे दुनिया को वही दिख जाएगा। तो मेरा कहने का अर्थ ये है कि अगर हम लोग तो बच्चों को ये सब सिखाएं कि बेटा आपका टारगेट यहाँ नहीं, ये सब चीज तो हम पालेंगे, लेकिन सही मायने में तो ये है कि आने वाले समय में अपने बच्चों को जितने भी हम लोग पढ़ा रहे हैं, जिन बच्चों को तैयार कर रहे हैं, उनको एक टारगेट जरूर देना कि बेटा 10-12 कंट्री जरूर घूमना है। क्योंकि मैं भी 6 कंट्री घूम के आया तो वहां बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिला, नहीं तो आज शायद यहाँ ना बैठा होगा। तो अपनी कमाई से, जैसे मैडम ने बताया कि हमारी से भी अपनी कमाई से जाना है, लेकिन इतना तैयार जरूर खुद को करना है कि जब जाए तो ये विदेश की धरती पर भी देख के आए कि भाई वहां से मैंने डिग्री हासिल की है, तो हम लोग क्या कर सकते हैं। उसका बेस हमें फिर वही बात कहूंगा कि निचले स्तर से तैयार करना है। अगर हम लोग सपने खुली आंखों से देख रहे हैं, बंद आंखों से नहीं, सपने देखने चाहिए खुली आंखों से, बंद आंखों से नहीं। बंद आंखों से सब लोग देखते हैं कि मैं रात सोया वहां चला गया, तो भाई ऐसी तैयारी करनी है। ये मेरा थोड़ा सा हिंदी अनुवाद में यही था, जो आप सब माफी चाहूंगा तो गलत कहते हो।
थैंक यू सो मच अजय सर। मैं इसमें से एक ही बात एडो करना चाहूंगा कि ड्रीम टीम स्टे क्यूरियस, strengthen your academic foundation, improve communication skills, and embrace every opportunity to learn from the world. As we conclude today's discussion, one message stands out very clearly. Education is no longer confined to the four walls of a classroom. It is about preparing students for a world without boundaries. Today's discussion has highlighted that global collaboration is not just about studying abroad, it is about nurturing global citizens who are confident, compassionate, innovative, and future ready. At Shoreville International School, we believe that every child deserves opportunities that connect learning with the world through experiential learning, technology integration, leadership development, sports cultural exchange, and